YouTubers! I'm Stephanie from Berryville Garden and I would like to welcome you to my greenhouse today. So I'm working in the greenhouse because it is very, very wet outside. It has in fact been very, very wet outside pretty much all year, and the garden is just too muddy to be working in right now. I am hopeful that we will be getting some sunshine in a week or so in the beginning of February. So today I'm going to clean up these gross dead looking strawberry leaves. In the same pot as my Meyer lemon tree here, I have a few strawberry plants. Honestly, I don't think that worked very well. I am going to dig them out and pot them up separately later on, but for now I'm just going to clean them up. So here we have some garlic chives also in this pot. I don't know whether I'll leave the garlic chives with the lemon or not. I haven't really decided yet. They're kind of sad looking too. One of the things I really love about this greenhouse is that it allows me to keep doing garden jobs even on days when I don't really want to be out in the garden. This strawberry plant has gotten a bit ahead of itself. It's trying to send up a flower bud. It's definitely not ready for that. There we go. Now doesn't that look a lot nicer?
If you enjoy this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you would like to see more of.